Flex.
With everything going on, it helps, but he won't even allow Grubhub to do tacos to go because he's just so antsy about how people try our food.
Which one's the spiciest?
This is the one you're gonna want right there.
Oh, spicy.
Enjoy that, brother. Yeah, take it in, brother. Enjoy. Verde. You got a hot sauce right here, or you got a traditional mix?
Carven gets to add some bark to something.
What do you think?
Bro.
Put the logo on it.
I told
Dude, are you kidding me right now?
Told you. Look how perfect.
Are you kidding me right now? I didn't even know that was gonna happen.
I didn't either. He didn't even confirm with me. But I threw it in there. I'm like, yo, can we do this?
We like to stay a little low-key. I mean, I know we're transparent about everything, but we got to keep some stuff up our sleeves.
Insane. Succeeded right now.
Look
at that little backslash right there.
Woo! That sounds like a
I got his smile in the rearview mirror.
Shakedown, what do you think?
1 to 10, bro. I'm gonna give it a 10 for clean power overall. It's a good exhaust, dude. You guys will know what this is about. You guys are sleeping on this. Don't sleep on Carven. Someone's getting hooked up right now for the holiday.
All right, it's all loaded. All you got to do is scroll back and forth, dude. It's all yours. Go back up now. There you go. Wherever you want.
Right here. Shadow Mopar.
Shadow underscore Shadow underscore Mopar underscore RT. Holy crap, I can't say that. That's a hard one. Let's just go to his profile. Boom, Carmelo.
Winning the game right here, baby.
Oh, and he's a Durango. Woo! Super B kit going to a Durango owner.
Hype.
All right, we'll see how it goes.
He just got hooked up, baby.
Absolutely. Hey, huge shout out to Sanchos Taco and Tori for coming through. They drove all the way out from San Clemente. Come make it happen. We hooked them up. Thank you, Ryan Hartsfield from Monster Energy for making this happen, putting us in connect.